Happy anniversary, love.
Happy anniversary. Thank you.
You look great.
These are my favorite. You remember?
You look great.
You do too.
Kaya nakbalik ka. Aray! Ang sakit! Problema mo?
Ikaw, anong problema mo? Excuse me? Sino ka? Ikaw, sino ka?
Girlfriend ko. Bakit?
Girlfriend ako ni Matt, and you? Sa talking stage niya ako. Eto.
Sino ako?
Oh.
Teka lang. Mas di nga kita kilala eh.
Aso sinasabi mo hindi mo mukha to?
Mukha ko nga yan. Pero, di, poser yan! Poser! Promise, love!
How dare you?
Love, hindi ako yan.
Deserve.
Love, Chris, can we talk, please? Look at me. Hey. Hindi ako yun. Promise. Hindi ko nga siya kilala eh. Love, siguro ginamit lang yung picture ko. Hindi ko alam. Alam mo naman yung internet ngayon, di ba? Ang dami nilang ginagawa. I promise hindi ako yung kachat niya. Love, look at me. Hey. Kilala mo ako. Namumula yung ilong ko when I lie. May red.
Fine.
Ba't naman kita lulukohin? Love. Hey. I love you.
Ay, nako. Bakit ba kasi ang bait-bait mo?
Is that a bad thing?
It's not a bad thing at all. Matt. Visit, Matt. Matt, ang tindi mo, Matt. Wow. Ayos, ha, Matt. Ay, nako, Chan. Ano ba yan? Di ka na natuto. Happy anniversary, love. Oh, thank you, ha. Mukha mo. You know that I love you, right? Matt, I've found my calling.
Great! Kala ko kung ano yung sinasabi mo eh.
As a missionary to Uganda.
Uganda? Africa?
Long-term yun position, Matt. 5 years.
Mas nauna naman tayo long term ah.
Matt, mahirap din to para sa akin. That's why, before I came here, I asked for a sign. Pero yung nangyari kanina...
Kanina? That's not my fault.
Not all it takes is just one malicious person to ruin a relationship. I don't want us to be that couple because of some stupid things online. I don't want to break up because of that. Do you understand? That's why I choose to rely on something and trust. His love. I'm sorry, Matt.